Hi everyone, my name is Stefan Singh, and this is my submission for COM 110 course reflection blog. The learning outcome from the syllabus that I will be exploring in this course reflection is analyze trends in digital information. This specific learning outcome was present in all the weeks, but throughout the course I was constantly analyzing the trends in digital information through research. In week 2 of the COM 110, the analysis began when I was introduced to the Castell's History of the Internet Chapter 1, Lessons from the History of the Internet. I learned quite a lot by going through this chapter and the various lessons provided in the Castell's text. Lessons such as openness and collaboration stood out for me. As the course grew on, I found that the analyses from the Pew Research Center proved especially useful. The graphics portrayed by the Pew Research Center made it very easy to understand their analysis of various trends involving social media and internet evolution. My knowledge and skills have evolved throughout the course when it comes to analyzing trends in digital information. I went from simply knowing how to use various social media platforms to really understanding the history of the internet and the impact that social media can have on society as a whole. Specifically, I learned how the political arena and news has completely evolved over the years as a result of the internet. Online politics was actually my umbrella topic for the final project's wiki. I believe that the skills and knowledge I gathered through the analysis of trends in digital information will apply to other courses in my pursuit of a business degree. Digital information is ever present in any business environment. The experience and knowledge gained from this course through the various learning outcomes will prove advantageous in my everyday work. Thank you.